Okay guys, so following on from yesterday's video that I did for the product, it's teaching how to get to page 1 in Google and on YouTube by creating these live stream events for sort of future time, and the nuances that he put into the course to teach you how to do it, etc. So I've been doing this this morning, and you can see here I've got page 1 for this product launch that's coming up quite soon. Now this is a $1,997 product, so it's kind of important to get that early mover advantage, if you like. Okay, so you can see Massive Affiliate Blueprint is the name of the product, and put a review in here, and we're sitting on page 1. Now that will probably turn it into a carousel, but I'm going to teach you how you can hopefully keep yourself there, just with common sense stuff that I know about YouTube algorithm that you probably know as well, but I'll go through it with you just to make sure. So here you can see Massive Affiliate Blueprint, no review words in here. We're sitting at number one of the carousel. Come to the next one. This is a 1.0 review, and again I've got an image up here, and have I got a video? Yeah, video is here as well. Okay, it's pretty cool. Right, now next you will notice there's a whole bunch of medium.coms kicking about up here. Now somebody else got early mover advantage over me on that one, but I'll catch them hopefully with some backlinks. Okay, so here we can see again for this one we got page 1 with the carousel, number 1 in the carousel. This one bonus, you can see I'm here, but this time I've got the medium.com, so I've got basically the medium.com page and this. And this one I've got the medium.com page and this. Okay, so what's so special about this? Okay, here's where that is not what you've just seen now is not the way to use. It's not the main thing about this. Okay, here's how to use this. You want to use this to build an email list. Okay, you want to use this for getting people to come back to your offers time and time again. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, so you can see here I've got this thumbnail. Now what's in the thumbnail? Big yellow writing. I could probably have made that better graphics in it. In fact I might even get someone on Fiverr.com to make that part for me, so that this part can always just be filled in whenever I need. Maybe a big sort of bubble, and something like get my pre-launch bonus. And that basically tells people if you click on this you'll get a bonus right away. So if we had some big graphic here that says get my pre-launch bonus immediately, instant access, then that's going to get people clicking. Now here's the key. Here is the key. Once people start to click through, you will see here that I have got multiple options here for free bonuses. Now it just so happens that I've got a whole bunch of Chrome extension checklists, and the cool thing is I'm going to do a $1 trial for LeadBlasta, so you can also do the same thing. You can build your own checklists and you can do the same thing. I don't need to have any landing pages, then I can send people directly over to the Chrome store to install the checklist. When they install the checklist, then it asks them for an email. Okay, and it's I don't have any complicated funnels, I don't have any landing pages that I need. All I need is 10 minutes to set this up. Literally that took about 5 minutes. This is just copy and paste because I've got it here. I can use that every single time in the future. Okay, very quick, very easy, gets people into my email list, and because there's so much choice here, it's going to keep people on this page longer. Okay, what do we know about YouTube algorithm? That if you can keep people on the page, they like that. Okay, YouTube like you to keep people inside YouTube. Okay, what you can do as well, I would suggest, that I haven't done in here, is have a link to another video. Say like click here, put it in big capital letters. Okay, click here to discover about this bonus and why you should choose this bonus, that kind of thing. And that way you get people to click through, and at the same time they'll keep this open because there's so much information. They're clicking on the links, that you've got that interactivity happening, and there you go. Okay, you're giving the algorithm what it needs, the retention time, the interactivity, etc, etc. That's how we can use this, that's how we should use this. So that's basically very cool thing. Now one more thing that is really cool that you should know about is where to get a SEMRush trial. Okay, and I think this is for 1 month. I'm pretty sure this is unlimited for 1 month, and you don't need any credit card. I'll give you this link. Just click on this link that I put underneath this video, go over there, and you can basically click for you don't need any credit card, and you got 1 month trial of this. Now let me just open up SEMRush here. I've just done the same thing, and I like to use the magic keyword tool. Why? Because this is perfect for what we're doing here with these with that strategy for the live stream, because you can group the keywords. Now this keyword magic tool, it will tell you these grouped keywords, so we can see affiliate marketing is my main keyword, but affiliate marketing programs got 1,166 keywords that are related. Okay, and you can just jump through it and do that. Now this is not a link I found on the Black Hat forum. I often go into Black Hat forums, especially the marketplace, and I saw this being advertised, this particular link. It doesn't cost anything. You can just go there and basically you can sign up for SEMRush, get 1 month free trial, and you don't need to put any credit card. So very, very simple. So you can use that. This is really cool. So if we're looking in here, for example, affiliate marketing for beginners, there's 239 keywords in here. Okay, if I click on that, we'll be able to see those 239 keywords, and here we go. Affiliate marketing for beginners, programs for beginners, etc, etc. There's a whole bunch of very, very, very targeted keywords that you could build around these live stream events and just find the very, very best keywords with the traffic that you need. Okay, really simple stuff. So that's how we can use that. Use it for list building. If you did one of them every week, and it doesn't have to be a high ticket product, but what you want to do is find something that you know is going to get a lot of traffic. That one is going to get a lot of traffic because it's he's got a lot of big affiliates behind it. Okay, he's got people like Omar Martin and John Thornhill and all those kind of big name affiliates. Okay, he's got all of those people going to be emailing. They've got email lists like 50, 100, 250,000. So if you're sitting there, you've got a lot of people going to come in and they're going to see this information. You're sitting there for when they start to look for that information. You're just there, and you've got a list building automation system in place that took you 10 freaking minutes to set up. Seriously, how easy is that? Okay, take the $1 trial of LeadBlasta. To get the $1 trial of LeadBlasta, you must first purchase the Bing website ads PPC recipe in the software that we will be releasing tonight on Warrior Plus. Okay, this $1 trial for LeadBlasta is in the funnel. You have to buy the front end. If you take the trial without the front end, you can do it, but it's better to just get the Bing website ads. Okay, get it. It's a very, very good tool. It's only 21 bucks. That will double in price. Okay, in that funnel as well, you will see Bing single keyword ad group tool as well. That's optional. You don't need to get that if you got the Bing website ads front end at 21 bucks. This one is more expensive, but we can do a lot more with it. We can do serious traffic strategies with that, and we're not talking about creating thousands of ad groups. We're talking about creating maybe 200 really tight-knit ad groups with really tight-knit adverts that fit the keywords. Okay, so the strategy within strategy for that. So keep an eye out for that product launch tonight. I'm not doing this via affiliates. I'm keeping it very, very much in-house as much as I possibly can. Sure, affiliates can find the link, they can promote it. But the last one we did about 200 something sales, and most of that came from just my email list. And here's the key to that. What we're doing with that, we're getting this very, very, very tight-knit community that already are aware of my tools, already aware of my products, that we can sort of set up something that we can use for kind of traffic training and stuff like that. So we will get to that later. I'm not ready for it right now, but we can do something with that, especially if LeadBlasta is involved. Like, we have a Facebook group just for LeadBlasta, and we've got a challenge going on for LeadBlasta as well to get 1,000 email opt-ins and all that kind of cool stuff. It's probably better that we do that kind of stuff within there and have the SEO stuff kind of separate. But this is really easy. This, I don't even think of this as SEO. This is just so damn easy, isn't it? Look at that. What do? You put a screenshot, you put a thumbnail in here, and you got your links and your list building on autopilot, and we know there's going to be a shitload of traffic coming in for that particular keyword. I mean, how easy is that? That's internet marketing in a nutshell. build your list, remarket to your list, send them information about the best bonus for that particular product, or for the next product, or the next discount that's coming up. Here's the key. Here's the key to being an affiliate marketer with email marketing. Don't always go after the product launches. Go and find some private promotions. That's what I do. And that's what I'm trying to do with my LeadBlasta tools as well. Hold them back for private promotions, because I know that there's specific affiliates that can go and make 200, 300 sales just in a private promotion when they do not have any competition like from everybody else who's battering their email. Okay, and that's just the way it works. So they can go and make 5-figure promotions. When you've got one or two like that, then what happens is you start to get leverage, you start to build momentum. Now you can do it the opposite way around as well as an affiliate, because you don't need to have your own product all the time. But what you can do is you can build up these lists for these high ticket products. You can build up these lists for these evergreen products. Okay, the people are coming in, there's a shitload of traffic going into these keywords. Okay, some people are searching for the information, and you're just sitting there waiting to be a list building machine for them. You've got your system in place and you're building your email list every single day with LeadBlasta. It works. Okay, I've got one Chrome extension right now. It's gone over 12,500 people, 12,500 users that I've got right now. Some of them have got the same user in different browsers, different computers I should say, but still I've got over 5,000 people from that list. Okay, from doing nothing apart from the setup initially, and that's, you know, almost like 1,000 people a month added into my email list, probably more than that actually by now. Anyway, so that's how we can do that. That's how we can really take advantage of that. It's stupid simple stuff, guys. Really simple stuff. Here's the key as well with the LeadBlasta, if you got it, is that you can do SMS marketing from there. You can collect a telephone number, you can do push notifications. Even if somebody tried to give you a fake email, you can send them a push notification via Google Chrome because he installed your Chrome extension. You've got multiple ways to contact them. You've got email, you've got SMS, you've got banner ad maker, you've got banner ad analytics, all that kind of stuff, and plus you've got the push notifications as well. Powerful stuff. Keep an eye out for the Bing website ads launch tonight, and get this product here that I'll put the link with this video. Get this product. It's only $10 and you'll learn how to do this. It's really basic, but you need to learn how to do it properly with his sort of tricks and nuances in the back end as you're setting it up. It's really quick and easy. You'll be glad that you did. It's only $10. See you later.